guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Sierra Show. I've been very busy with Thanksgiving. That's exactly why I chose this book, Jamal's Busy Day. Remember, there are questions at the end of the book, so pay close attention. Let's get right on into the video. Jamal's Busy Day by Wade Hudson and illustrated by George Ford. Mommy, Daddy, and I start our workday early. We wash up, shave, and brush our teeth. Then we put on our work clothes. I always finish first. Before we leave for work, we eat a healthy breakfast. Some oatmeal sounds yummy. We have to be ready for our busy day. My daddy is an architect. He makes drawings to guide the people who build houses. He works hard. That's a lot of drawing to do. My mommy is an accountant. She's always busy with numbers. Mommy works very hard. I work hard too. I work with numbers. I make drawings. I try experiments. My favorite experiment is when you make a volcano explode. I do research. Then there are meetings to attend. My supervisor always calls on me for a helping hand. And sometimes I have to settle disagreements between my coworkers. There's always work to do. Getting home is not easy either. The bus is always crowded. But when I get there, I relax. I have to unwind. Sometimes I bring work home. Reports are always due. Then I shoot a few hoops. Soon it's time for dinner. We all help. I set the table. Later, Daddy and Mommy talk about their busy day. I say, I know just what you mean. I've had a busy day myself. But I can't wait until tomorrow. Welcome back. Did you like the book? What was your favorite part? My favorite part was when Jamal was busy just like his parents. And he thought he could shave. I had a lot of fun with you guys. Next week is Thanksgiving, so I might not be posting a video then because I'm going to be eating a whole lot of food. Anyways, I'll see you in like 2 weeks. Bye for now. Happy Thanksgiving!